Yo, what's up guys? It's me Edward back again for another video. Let's get into it. So what's up guys? We are back again for another unboxing video about a Philips SPK8614. So let's proceed to the unboxing. So we are back again for another unboxing video about another gaming keyboard from Philips. It's a mechanical keyboard. As you can see, Amiglow, dual mode switchable. It's a mechanical switch, alloy surface. Alright, this is the side of the box. Okay, so this is the dual mode switchable. You can switch the light mode from different kind of colors in RGB format. It's mechanical, colorful, ambiglow. What we expect from Philips is the light is very durable. So let's proceed on opening the box. I've already cut this one, so let's just open it. Alright, so this is what it looks like from the box. So let's just take this off from the keyboard itself. Let's be very gentle. So this is what it looks like. Mechanical keyboard. So it's from Philips, as you can see. Later we'll do a test and a video about the keyboard and the keys on what it looks like when you're going to be using it. So let's put it on the side now. The cable wire is braided with cloth, as you can see. It's a USB wire. It has the Philips logo. Okay, so let's keep it on the side. This thing, this is what you're going to be using for changing the keyboard or the keys. You can buy it to your local stores. So let's bring it to the side. Let's check what is inside the box. What is this? So this is the armrest, additional armrest. It's plastic. It has a rubberized here. So this is your armrest. I think you will be putting it here. There's a magnet. There's a magnet, see? There's a magnet pulling each other. I think the magnet is in this side. So once you put it laying down to your table, voila. So let's put it on the table here. It's actually pulling each other because of the magnet. So now we'll see how it looks, what it sounds like when you're pressing the keys. So let's try the enter. So let's try to type something. This is what it sounds like. Because it's a mechanical keyboard. It sounds pretty good. This is the volume and your dual mode for the RGB light on your keyboard. Later we'll go in-depth tour on this one. You have the special keys for your play button, fast forward, and your rewind. This one for your volume rocker. You can use this one to navigate your volume when you're editing or playing in a game.
A few moments later.
So now we are going to test. Plug it to the computer. The keyboard, the Philips SPK8614. So that's it, how it looks like. This knob switch also serves for your volume rocker. As you can see, I'm adjusting my volume now. Going up, going down. Pretty cool feature. So this is what it looks like when there's no lights on. The light is very nice. It's superb lighting. So as you can see that I have plugged it to my computer right now. So let's try to type this. I type hello. Looks pretty nice. So we'll be showing you now the different modes. As you can see now, this is the dancing light. And you switch this knob. Look at that. Now when you type something, it's like a water droplet. It creates waves of lights where you click on your keyboard. See? Type on the keypad now. It's all the way going there. Here. Pretty awesome, right? Now let's change the mode. Now this is the line format, where you type something. So let's change the mode. It will light up whatever you're going to type. So let's change again the mode. Look at that. It's pretty awesome, right? Look at that. So this thing is pretty good for gaming and for your day-to-day use in your computer. So if you're going to type something,
Meanwhile,
I really recommend this keyboard for a budget affordable keyboard gaming keyboard, should I say. Now it has different modes, interchangeable lights. Pretty good. The case feels good. As you can see, it's well lighted, color pink. Something new, something cute, something adorable. And it's a budget-friendly keyboard for starting gamers, but it will do the job done and it will keep you on your track. Now it's steady mode, as you can see. Pretty cool colors. From Philips, guys. Philips SPK8614 overall review. It is a wired mechanical gaming keyboard. It's simply as a plug and play. You don't need to download any programs for you to utilize the product. This keyboard also comes with a multimedia knob. It works both ways as a volume rocker and switching the ambiglow RGB light to 19 different modes and combination. It has dedicated media buttons like the pause and play, rewind and forward. The product's texture and durability is quite spectacular too. You may also say this affordable keyboard from Philips is a good buy for only $30 than getting a keyboard to $50 to $100 that has the same features of switching RGB light. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check my other videos. Goodbye and God bless.